it is resolved that tribal leaders will now visit 300 plus ST villages and convey panchayat man at every village to make aware people on how ST community has been cheated, denied from granting constitutional rights by state government and central government. दुसरं resolution घेतला ते म्हटल्यार it is resolved that if the current central government fail to issue notification to reserve 4 seats for ST in Goa Assembly before Code of Conduct of Parliamentary Election 2024, we shall try multiple strategies to create electoral damage to the ruling BJP government for both North Goa and South Goa seat in the forthcoming parliamentary election. सगळ्या वाठारांतल्यान जे आमचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आमचे सगळे ST लिडर जे आयिल्ले आसा सगळ्या मना एक राग आसा ह्या सरकारान आमकां फटयलो आनी सगळ्या दिसता की ह्या सरकाराक आतां बुद्ध शिकोवपाची वेळ आयिल्लो आसा.
जय आदिवासी.